Okay, so let's continue our demo on how to update a record. So last time, we were able to retrieve the values and then fill in the different text boxes. Okay, and then the next process should be when the user clicks the save button, it should be able to update the record in our database. So to do that, let's go to ASPX, edit that ASPX page, and then put the whole table inside a form, and then we'll have the action, process, update.aspx, method is equal to post. Okay, just remember that method. We are using post. So the last time we had a form, we used get. So let's close the form. All right. Okay, let's check first if it works. Let's edit again my check. So instead of 7578, save, and then a missing page, process updated TSPX. So we are now going to create that page. So for process update, let's add a new web form. Then name it process ASPX. Alright. So most likely the code for the process insert and process update are similar now. They just differ on the query used. So we'll just copy the whole process from the second line, process insert, and paste it to our process update.aspx. So this part here will be changed. Okay, so let's start the query. So the query to change the value is update. So we use update space table name set f name is equal to. Now instead of request that query string, since our method is get a post, we are going to use request form and then the field name. Closing quote, comma, space, lname is equal to opening quote plus request dot form lname plus closing quote, comma, allowance. So since in numeric value we don't need to put single quote. Request that form allowance. And then to specify what record to change, we need to put the where clause. It's very important to specify the where clause to filter what specific record you are going to update. Otherwise, all the values for fname, lname will be changed to all records. So we have here where stud id is equal to, and then the field name. So we have request that form stud ID. Alright, we're done. And then let's try this one. For example, we are going to change the value of Polo Sports. The allowance becomes 15,000. Save. An error near the where clause. Let's check first. Let's check. There's no value submitted. Let's check again. Edited ASPX. The form fields like stud ID, F name, and L name don't have a name. So the requested form requires a name of a field to refer to it. So instead of ID here, we are going to change it into name. So that it can be recognized as form fields. Let's try it again. Edit 15,000. Save. So you see there, Polo Sports now has an allowance of 15,000. For example, we change mic checks from 7.5 becomes 12,345. Save. So my check now has 12,345. So that's it. That's how to update a record. So the next demo would be how to delete a record.